What if I told you Indian AI companies are finally stepping out of Silicon Valley's shadow with our funding, users, and global adoption that rivals big US players? Today we count down the top 10 Indian AI startups with real revenue traction, massive funding, and global scale, not hype. And make sure you watch till the end, because the number 1 startup's growth stat is going to absolutely shock you. Kicking things off at number 10 is NASA. This company is built to bridge the AI infrastructure gap with its enterprise GPU, cloud, and high-performance computing for AI applications. With about $50 million raised across its seed and venture rounds, NASA's driving infrastructure adoption both in India and abroad. Why does this matter? Independent AI infrastructure is rare and incredibly strategic. It allows startups to build without being dependent on Silicon Valley. Coming in at number 9, we have Neurograph. This is an award-winning generative AI company focused on audiovisual content, best known for its visual dub product. They actually won the SXSW pitch competition in the entertainment and content category, making them the first Indian AI startup to achieve this. Recognition on a global stage like that is huge. It's not just about user numbers. It's about credibility and product validation from industry experts. At number 8, it's Sarvam AI. Their core focus is on foundational large language models optimized specifically for Indian languages, which creates a real competitive moat. They've raised a $41 million Series A to build out these vernacular AI models. In a market where English isn't the default language for millions of people, multilingual AI isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a move. Next up at number 7 is Observe.AI. They provide conversational intelligence for enterprise contact centers. With around $214 million raised, they have serious validation from global investors. The big signal here is that customer support automation is moving from small pilot projects to full-scale enterprise deployments, which means it has massive recurring revenue potential. Cracking the top half of our list at number 6 is Cure AI. This startup is revolutionizing healthcare with its imaging AI, which helps reduce diagnosis time and improve accuracy. When hospitals adopt a technology at scale, the annual recurring revenue follows. This proves that real-world healthcare applications can generate significant, stable income streams. At number 5, we have Uniphore. They operate in the enterprise conversational and emotion-aware AI space. They've raised over $500 million in total capital, signaling massive confidence from global investors. With a client base of over 2,000 companies and rapidly expanding revenue, their traction is undeniable. In the number 4 spot is Atomesus. What makes them unique is their hybrid AI model that includes India-based data processing, which is perfect for privacy-focused markets. Although they're newly launched, they boast 100% user satisfaction. This is an incredibly strong early metric that points to huge adoption momentum down the road. Breaking into the top 3 is Yellow.ai. They've positioned themselves as a leader in multilingual chatbots and voice automation, supporting over 100 languages globally. When you combine that massive language coverage with strong enterprise adoption, you get a powerful formula for high-value recurring contracts. Our runner-up at number 2 is Emergent. Get ready for this growth stat. They hit over 5 million users and $50 million in annual recurring revenue within just 7 months of launching. They've also secured a $70 million Series B, led by heavyweights like SoftBank and Venture. Achieving that kind of ARR in months, not years, signals an absolutely explosive product market fit. And finally, at number 1, we have Invideo AI. This is the only Indian platform competing directly with global video creation giants using AI. With millions of creators across more than 190 countries, their global adoption is phenomenal. Video content is the king currency of the internet, and AI is democratizing production for everyone. While NVIDIA hasn't publicly disclosed its massive market penetration and global creator base put it in the same league as other top SaaS winners. This indicates huge recurring revenue from subscriptions, upgrades, and enterprise use cases. So, what does this all mean? India's AI ecosystem isn't a niche anymore. It's attracting billions in funding, delivering real ARR, and building products that global users are actually adopting. In 2025 alone, Indian AI startups raised nearly $500 million across 63 deals, anchoring AI as a core growth engine for the economy. If you're a founder, this is your moment. If you're a creator, These are the platforms shaping AI's next chapter. Now, I want to hear from you. Comment below. Which of these startups do you think will hit $100 million in ARR first, and why? Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share for more AI growth breakdowns.